Your computer's getting slower, boot time drags, apps take forever to open, but you haven't downloaded anything new. So what's the problem? Let me show you a folder that silently fills up with junk and how to clean it. Step 1. Press Windows plus R. Type temp, hit enter. This opens your system's temporary files folder. These are leftovers, cached data, logs, update fragments. They don't delete themselves. Press Ctrl A to select all, then hit Shift plus delete. Confirm. If you get a message saying some files are in use, skip those. The rest, safe to remove, and they're eating up space for nothing. Press Windows plus R again. This time type another temp folder tied to your user account. Clean it out. Now check this one too. Go to this location. This is where Windows stores update files. Even after the update is done, you can safely delete the contents here too. So why does this matter? These folders grow quietly over time. They waste storage, slow your system, and can even cause update issues. Regular cleanup, a faster PC, fewer bugs. Your PC doesn't need more RAM, it needs less junk.